Warfare has always been driven by technology. From the invention of gunpowder to the development of nuclear weapons, each era has witnessed new ways to wage war.
Today, we stand on the precipice of another revolution in military affairs. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and with it comes the rise of autonomous weapon systems. The battlefields of the future will be increasingly populated by robots, drones, and other unmanned systems. These machines will possess advanced capabilities, enabling them to perform tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of human soldiers. This shift towards robotic warfare raises important questions about the future of conflict and the role of humans in it.
We are already witnessing the early stages of this transformation. Drones, for example, have become an integral part of modern military operations. They are used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even targeted strikes.
As technology continues to advance, these unmanned systems will become even more sophisticated and autonomous, capable of carrying out increasingly complex missions without direct human control.
Robotic soldiers are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are rapidly becoming a reality. Today, military forces around the world are developing and deploying a wide range of robotic systems. These machines come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks on the battlefield. Some robots are designed for reconnaissance and surveillance, equipped with advanced sensors and cameras to gather intelligence. Others are built for combat, armed with weapons and programmed to engage enemy targets. Still, others are designed for logistical support, transporting supplies and equipment to the front lines.
One notable example is the Lethal Autonomous Weapons Systems, LAWS, which are capable of identifying and engaging targets without human intervention. These systems raise significant ethical and practical concerns as they grant machines the power to make life or death decisions. The development of LAWS is a clear indication of the growing autonomy of military robots.
The increasing use of robots in warfare is driven by several factors. Proponents of robotic warfare argue that these machines offer numerous advantages over human soldiers. One of the most significant benefits is the potential to reduce human casualties. By deploying robots in dangerous situations, military commanders can keep human soldiers out of harm's way.